Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to shop on Amazon or start selling? In this quick video, I will show you exactly how to create an Amazon account in just simple steps, whether you are using a phone or computer. First of all, go to amazon.com or download the Amazon app from the Play Store and App Store. Now click on sign in button at the top corner, then choose start here. Then enter your email address. I will use a temporary email for this tutorial. Then click continue. Now click proceed to create an account. Now enter your full name and add a strong password. Then click verify email. Amazon will send you a one-time passcode to verify your email and mobile number. Enter that code to confirm. So I'll enter my name, then add password, then re-enter password, then click verify email, and let's follow the process. Once verified, your Amazon account is ready. You can now browse, go to your email inbox, then verify with your one-time passcode, and you can now browse, add items to your cart, or set up payment methods under your profile. Just enter your mobile number, and that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. You have created your Amazon account in under 3 minutes.